In this video, I'm going to share with you a completely free website where you can get really cool and chic PowerPoint presentation templates or Google Slide templates. And it just takes a few seconds to download. And I'm just going to show you a couple of samples. If there's something that you want like specifically, you can go ahead and type it in over here. So let's say I want school. Okay. Or let's say I want children. So let's say I select this one. I'm going to go ahead and select it. And then I could go ahead and preview it by selecting the bottom. If this one looks interesting, if you like it, then you could go ahead and select use as a Google Slide theme, or you could use it as a PowerPoint template. And like I said, it's completely free. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go back to the home page. And this time I'm going to select education. And it really looks like you put a lot of effort into creating this presentation when really it didn't take you much time at all. So let's say I like this one. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the template. If any of these look interesting to you, then you could go ahead and download it to use it as a Google Slide, or you could use it as a PowerPoint template. It's really cute. I think this one's really cute too. Okay.